Hazrat Abu Huraira radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, one of the former prophets intended to go on a jihad and said to his people, whoso has recently contracted marriage and has not consummated it, but he wishes to do so, must not accompany me, nor must he who has built a house but has not yet constructed its roof accompany me, nor must he who has purchased nanny goats or pregnant she camels and is waiting that they should give birth to the babies accompany me. Then that Prophet ﷺ fought the jihad and reached a village at or close to the time of the Asr prayer. He whereupon addressed the sun and said, you as well as I am under the command of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, halt this sun over me for some time. So it was halted till Allah Jalla Jalaluhu granted him victory. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, they collected the booty and thereafter fire came to consume it, but could not consume it. That Prophet ﷺ said, there is a dishonest person among you. So one man from each tribe should give me a pledge by shaking hand with me. Then they all gave him a pledge, and the hand of a man clung to his land. The Prophet ﷺ thereupon said, the fraudulent is amongst your tribe. So everyone of your tribe should take an oath of allegiance to me. They took an oath of allegiance to him. The Prophet ﷺ said, the hands of 2 or 3 men clung to his hand. The Prophet ﷺ said, dishonesty is in you. They at last bought gold equal to the head of a cow in size. The Prophet ﷺ said, place it on a high place in the booty. Then a fire came and consumed it. He ﷺ said, booty was not lawful for anyone prior to us, but Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, considering our weakness and inability, legalized the booty for us. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4530.